I am a dog that's incredibly bright. I can talk, read and write, and surf the net all of the day and all of the night.
Corneil, you can talk!
And much more, Bernie, but keep it to yourself.
If we let the cat out of the bag, you'd be a celebrity. If you want to lead a dog's life, the secret's gonna stay with you and me.
Watch my chops, shush!
It's no joke, the doggy spoke, he said, watch my chops.
They must never hear a word.
A talking dog!
How absurd. Honestly, Corneil, you're useless. You can't even catch a frisbee. It's dead easy. Watch.
See? It's easy.
Ooh, my little sweetie pie. You must be John and Beth's dog. Aren't you lovely?
Ah, Aunt Bertha, I see you've met Bernie, our dog sitter.
Yes, yes. And your adorable little sweetie pie.
What a lovely woman. Will you help me carry your bags up?
Huh? Oh, aren't you kind?
Aunt Bertha, you can stay here as long as you like.
Oh,
I didn't know you had a dog, Aunt Bertha.
it's Bobby, my sister's dog. I often looked after him. We became inseparable. Unfortunately, my sister went to live in Australia.
And you didn't?
Oh, Bobby, I miss you so much. You're so far away.
What did I say?
Poor Aunt Bertha. Maybe staying with us will take her mind off things.
Bernie, I hope you and Corneil will be able to cheer up Aunt Bertha.
Well, you can count me out. I'm a dog sitter, not the ant rescue service.
Bernie, Aunt Bertha's love for Bobby is very moving. You'd never be like that about me, would you? Try and be a bit more compassionate.
But what do you expect me to say to her? Hi, Aunt Bertha. Would you like to come on a picnic with me and Corneil?
Picnic? Are we going on a picnic? With Corneil? What a lovely boy you are. Tell me, young man, what kind of games do you play with him? My Bobby loved playing fetch.
Corneil, play fetch? You gotta be kidding. He can't even catch a frisbee.
I understand, sweetie pie. You want to play fetch?
Go on, Corneil. After it. Fetch.
And brave little sweetie pie dove straight into that freezing lake and brought me back his little stick. What a champion!
Achoo!
Beth, would you like to make me happy? This little sweetie pie deserves to be properly trained. Allow me to see to it.
With pleasure. I'm sure Bernie won't mind a bit.
Me? Mind about what?
The aim of the first exercise is to develop the dog's flexibility. The dog must jump up and touch the master's arm.
What a way to spend a Saturday afternoon.
Come on, sweetie pie, you can do it!
You almost had us fooled. Come on, sweetie pie. Come on. Think how Bobby would have done it.
Get ready. Now go.
Come on, champion. Come on, jump. If it's not too high. Corneil, you've gone crazy! Stop! You're gonna make me...
This dog sitter's really not up to much.
Oh, Bernie, I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me.
I understand what you're playing at. You want to impress Aunt Bertha. Well, why don't you just stay with her then? Sweetie pie.
That's just what I intend to do. At least she appreciates me.
Has Bernie left you all alone? Ow, 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 ow. Don't worry, my little sweetie pie. Aunt Bertha's here.
It's lucky for Corneil that you're here, Aunt Bertha. Bernie called. He can't come tomorrow.
It will be a real pleasure for me to devote myself to Bobby.
You mean Corneil?
Yes, yes. Anyway, don't worry. We're going to get along just fine, Bobby and I.
John, if Aunt Bertha wants to call Corneil Bobby, let her. It won't harm anyone.
There. You're the most handsome dog in the world, Bobby, my love.
But my name's Corneil. Corneil. It's an easy enough name to remember.
And now, off to many buys, Bobby.
I don't believe it. She really thinks I'm Bobby. Be patient, Corneil. She'll get over it.
How you doing, Bobby?
Is that Bobby still hanging around?
Have a nice walk, Bobby. Bobby. Bobby.
Oh.
Go back to sleep, Bobby.
Bernie! Bernie! Wake up! I need you!
Corneil? So, you finally remembered your old dog sitter, did you?
Bernie, this is a nightmare. Aunt Bertha keeps calling me Bobby. She wants to turn me into him. If this carries on, I'm going to go mad.
Well, well. Don't we love our Aunt Bertha anymore? Bobby?
The problem is she loves me too much. Or rather, she loves Bobby too much.
All right, Corneil, I get the picture. But how are we gonna get rid of Aunt Bertha?
First, we're going to have a cup of tea. Then, we're going to the dog parlor to get you some pretty little curls done.
Hi there, Aunt Bertha. And hello, Bobby. He seems to be feeling quite well today.
Doesn't he always?
Oh, sometimes he gets allergic reactions to things. Well, have a nice day.
What a strange boy. All the same, Bobby, if you had allergic reactions, I would have noticed by now. Bobby, don't touch that. Bobby, what's wrong with you? Oh, someone help me!
Hang on! I'm coming! Let me do it.
Oh!
It's okay. He's out of danger. It was just an allergy to green plants.
But does this happen to him often?
His allergies? Oh, from time to time. Sometimes up to 10 times a day.
10 times a day? That doesn't matter. I'll learn how to treat him. Ow! What's wrong with him now?
It's just one of his tachycardia attacks. There's only one thing to do.
I'd never be able to do that to the poor little darling. That's just awful.
He's okay now. The attack is over.
Here, Sonny. I'm sure you could look after it better than I could.
Bernie, in my plan, you were supposed to pretend to slap me.
But it had to look believable, didn't it?
Beth, John, thanks for everything. But it's time for me to go. Goodbye, Corneil. You are a wonderful dog sitter.
I don't know what happened, but one thing's for sure. Aunt Bertha's feeling much better.
Oh, I feel better too. And you know what? Aunt Bertha's right. You're not too bad a dog sitter.
Not too bad. She said wonderful, Bobby.
Bernie, watch my chops. My name is Corneil.
Sure thing, Bobby.
Corneil.
Bobby!
Corneil.
Bobby!
Grow up.